Garage renovation explained simply. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a very practical and exciting topic: garage renovation. Whether you're looking to convert your garage into a cozy living space or simply aiming to make it more functional, understanding what garage renovation involves is the first step to transforming your space. Garage renovation refers to the process of remodeling or making changes to a garage with the aim to improve its appearance, functionality, or convert it into a different type of space altogether. This can involve various tasks such as painting, installing shelves, or even more complex projects like plumbing and electrical work. People choose to renovate their garages for several reasons. For some, it's about creating more storage space, while others might want to turn their garage into a workshop, gym, or an additional living area. Renovating can also increase the value of your property and make your garage more energy efficient. 1. Planning. Define your goals for the renovation and sketch a rough layout of what you want to achieve. 2. Budgeting. Estimate the cost of materials and labor. Don't forget to include a buffer for unexpected expenses. 3. Clearing out. Remove everything from your garage to provide a clean slate for renovation. 4. Repairs. Fix any existing issues, like leaks or cracks, before you start the actual remodeling. 5. Remodeling. Depending on your plan, this may involve insulation, drywall installation, flooring, painting, and more. 6. Finishing touches. Add shelving, lighting, or other elements to make the space functional and inviting. Renovating a garage comes with its set of challenges like budget constraints, unexpected structural issues, and obtaining the necessary permits. Planning carefully, being flexible with your choices, and consulting professionals when needed can help navigate these hurdles smoothly. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of garage renovation for you. Whether you're looking to create a new living space or simply enhance the functionality of your garage, the journey of transforming your garage can be incredibly rewarding. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your renovation endeavors.